This is Lawnmower Man Part 2. Continuation of cleaning the carburetor to make this lawnmower run better, if you will. We have now, the Lawnmower Man is attempting to turn the fuel valve off before attempting to clean the carburetor. So he's going to take and he's going to turn this baby to the right. He's turning it all the way to the right. Okay? Okay, to turn the fuel valve off. Okay.
Gotta undo the air filter housing right.
Now we're undoing the air filter housing. Yes, sir, we are. As we attempt to clean our carburetor. Got a little kit out there. Lots of good old lawnmower tools in there. Okay. What are we doing now?
We gotta remove the air filter housing.
Okay, we have got to remove the air filter housing. And with that, we're using one of these little tools we got here. What type of tool was that?
It's a socket.
That's a socket. Okay, it's a socket. Yes, it is. But we've got to get just the right type of the tool on the socket to undo it with. And we turn into the right on there, it looks like.
To the left.
Oh, to the left. We're turning to the left. Okay, there we go. Yes, sirree. There is a lot of work that goes into maintaining a lawnmower for mowing season. Is it coming off easy for you?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good thing. Yes, we are going to be doing a lot of lawnmower videos on this channel, if you will. So if any of you guys out there, or women, you know, need to know different stuff about doing the lawnmower, this is the channel that you can subscribe to for that info. I'm going to try to do at least one lawnmower video a week. So, and give us a thumbs up. Yes, I can't hardly see that well through my camera. There's so much sun glare out here, but I'm hoping I'm showing you what you need to know here, if indeed you have to perform this task. So keeping a clean carburetor is very essential for your lawnmower running effectively for the mowing season. Is that correct, Lawnmower Man?
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure you don't lose your gasket.
Don't lose your gasket. No, where do you refer? Okay, you got your gasket right down there in case you forget. Okay.
Air filter housing.
Okay, yeah, we got that. So what do we do now?
Gotta remove the fuel line.
Remove the fuel line.
Yes, there's a little clamp right here. Just clamp down on it.
Oh, darn. We've actually been considering getting one of those lawnmowers that has no engine to them. You know, the ones with just the blades or whatever. Yeah, that way we won't have to worry about lawnmower maintenance, which I consider is perfect for a woman, if you will. But this Lawnmower Man, however, insists upon having a lawnmower that needs work on it. He doesn't like to replace the lawnmower very often because if in fact he did that, he would have nothing to work on. That's exactly right. Typical man.
Fuel line's difficult.
Fuel line's what?
Difficult to get off.
Why is that?
Because it's clamped.
It's clamped?
Yes.
Okay, maybe we better continue this video in part 3. So I'm over and out for this episode of the Lawnmower Man removing the carburetor. To be continued.